What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So it seems like Binance is definitely struggling here. And I just wanted to take some time to talk about this because I saw that CZ was on, I think, CNBC. I can't remember exactly where they were. Was it NBC? I'm not sure. CNBC. Yes, he was talking to them about Binance and all that stuff. And I saw him kind of squirming a little bit. I'm not really the biggest fan of CZ, and people know that because I don't like his actions that he's taking. Um, and with FTX and with everybody, all these other crypto exchanges that actually have put out a lot of information, but apparently Binance hasn't really put out everything there, right? Because they talked about how they haven't done a true audit on liabilities, but then you have someone like Coinbase or a company like Coinbase that is doing a lot on that end because they're forced to do it because they are a publicly traded company. But then you also have crypto.com that's coming out with all of their different reserves. Now they haven't done liabilities yet, but they have came out with all of their reserves and stuff. So that's definitely going to be a big piece here. But I wanted to talk about Binance here because it's saying that withdrawals are definitely at a higher level. So guys, if you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. We'll have a lot more videos on the entire crypto market, on stocks, on everything on this channel, the NFA channel. And I appreciate you guys for even taking the time to watch. But sorry, let's talk about this because what's happening with CZ, right? Look at this article. Binance customer withdrawals exceed 3 billion in 24 hours. Now, this is pretty big, right? Because once people see this, they start looking at it like, well, should I get out of this position? What's happening there? We're not seeing BNB that's dropping a hell of a lot. Like you can see it up top. BNB is only down by 2.63%, which I say only, but you look at Ethereum and that's down by 2.6%, or Bitcoin's down by 2%. So maybe people are just withdrawing their crypto in general because they feel like crypto is going to fall. If Binance does fail, then crypto overall does fall as well. It doesn't fail, but it does fall because crypto will still be around. It's just the exchanges that house a lot of the crypto and house a lot of the volume will decrease a hell of a lot. And then a lot of trust goes out the window. And then we have a longer waiting period, to see trust come back to cryptocurrency. But let's go through this article. So the exchange saw a total net outflow over 3.6 billion in the past week as crypto firms and users pull out their funds. Behemoth crypto exchange Binance has seen massive withdrawals in the past week, and on Tuesday, the highest amount of one-day withdrawals since June. Binance international arms. Binance's international arm saw over 8.7 billion dollars leave its exchange and 5.1 billion in incoming funds, meaning the exchange faced a net outflow of roughly 3.66 billion dollars. While such data only refers to Binance's Ethereum and ERC20 token movements, approximately 63% of Binance's portfolio is on Ethereum, and the outflows are much larger compared to other crypto exchanges over the same period. So if we scroll down here, we're going to be able to see that. Actually, let's go back here. Hopefully, I can still go back to that article. I think I can. Yes, I can. So yeah, you have a net outflow of, or net flow of negative 6.33 billion. You see a net flow in Coinbase of negative 574 million. Binance.us, negative 38 million. So you're seeing a lot of outflow. So it's not just Binance, it's everything really. Crypto.com, negative 84 million as well, because people are afraid, right? It's not about people just getting out of the crypto exchange. It's about them getting out of crypto in general so that their money isn't at risk, right? So we're seeing things that are starting to collapse a little bit here, which doesn't really look great. But Binance's 3.66 billion weekly outflow is leagues more than Coinbase, for example, which saw a net outflow of roughly 574 million. Sorry. From its main exchange, and 248 million from Coinbase custody service. Binance US saw a net outflow of over 38.7 million in that same period. The Web3 investment firm Jump Crypto is among the entire sorry, I can't see that, entities that removed funds from Binance, according to Nansen. um, Nansen, whoever Nansen is. On Ethereum, Jump withdrew about 18.4 million this week and pulled out 123.4 million from Binance last week. While Binance is currently seeing a high volume of withdrawals, the exchange still holds roughly 58.9 billion in assets at the time of writing. Most of which are in Binance's stablecoin BUSD, the stablecoin Tether, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. According to Nansen's report, I don't know why saw report, portfolio tracker, Binance's total portfolio has decreased by 3.6 billion in just the past 8 days or 8 hours. Seeing all types of words. Binance's exchange token BNB is the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization and is down about 2% in the past 24 hours and down 8% in the past 2 weeks, according to CoinGecko data. Those declines come despite Ethereum rising 12% in the past 2 weeks and Bitcoin seeing a 9% uptick in price. Well, going back here, let's look at that. So it seems like a lot of things are down in the past 7 days. If you look at things in the past 2 weeks, obviously you could see Bitcoin and Ethereum that were running. So, it seems like they're trying to apply all of these things to to what's going on with BNB and what's going on here. But BNB didn't really take a full dive like Ethereum and Bitcoin did, so it didn't fall as bad. It fell like 50% or 60% versus Ethereum and Bitcoin falling 80%. So it's totally understandable there. Let's see. We saw withdrawals today. ZZ said, I actually think it's a good idea to stress test withdrawals on each exchange on a rotating basis. Earlier Tuesday morning, Zhao explained that, hopefully I'm saying his name right, explained that USDC withdrawals on Binance US had been temporarily paused due to a token swap issue where the exchange was unable to convert funds due to a New York bank. The liquidity provider for the swap being closed, the withdrawals have since resumed. So obviously, Binance is being, kind of attacked here. And I guess for good reason. We want to apply pressure to make sure we get all the information from all exchanges, because something like Coinbase is giving us everything. But Binance doesn't give us everything that they have there, right? We have all the liabilities. We understand what Coinbase does have, in its back pocket, what it pays out, what it has coming in, all of those different things. We see the financials. For Binance, we do not see that. For Crypto.com, we do not see that. For all of these others, we do not see that. So we question those, and we want to make sure that they get audited. And we have a trail to where the money is going, where the money's coming from, all these different things. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this. Is Binance in trouble or is it not? Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.